My name is John Alexander Acevedo. I am 39 years old. I study electronic engineering and I am in 5th semester. I'm going to talk about recent experience. Last week, I traveled with my family to La Calera. It is a very quiet an hour on front city of Bogota. In this place, we stopped to drink down coffee and enjoy some solution almojábanas. After that, we started and the country house. La Calera is called very similar to Bogota. This place is very nice and quiet. There is very nature and the fresh air. In this place, the environment animals such as horses, cows, dog, and chicken. We also want to be often on this place. The turn experience of Huasca. It is a very nice and spacious place. On the countdown on the Good Family Day. Finally, I would like to view Sunday section, in case you wish. I recommend to turn on the very day to the next place, and the very beautiful, and the fire, and the noise, and the evolution on the city. People should know this place. People should enclose on the good weather. People should know water on the fire and the healthy pleasure. And people should not destroy the plants and animals of the place. Thank you very much.